Hey guys, it's Jess here, owner and stylist of Vanity Lounge. Today we're going to show you our Malaysian natural wave bundles. We're going to take it from its natural curly state into the straight. I'm going to show you how quick and easy and versatile it really is.
So today we're using a custom unit that we created with the Malaysian natural wave. First we're going to start with the back section of the head. I always like to start from the back and work my way to the top of the crown. You want to use your fine-tooth comb to comb through each section. Your section should be relatively small, maybe about 4 inches wide. Now, I always flat iron my extensions on 450 degrees, which is the highest level. It allows you to move a lot quicker and get the hair a lot sleeker. This is actually one of my favorite textures just because of how easy it straightens. It doesn't take much effort at all, and you can get it done pretty quickly. Now you can see one side straight, one side curly. We're going to move forward and do the other side. Same thing, small sections, high heat. Remember to use your fine tooth comb to put under your flat iron as you pull the flat iron through. Alright, now we're just going to blend her leave out in the top. And voila, there you have it. From curly to straight. For more textures, tips, and information, you can follow us at Vanity Lounge Hair, and you can catch me at Jess Jewel.